If you've been trying to make your avatar move more naturally, speak for longer than 5 seconds, this is for you. I'm breaking down the 5 best movement prompts I use to make avatars talk, gesture, and feel more human. Plus, I'll show you how I take short clips from Hallyu and Runway ML and turn them into longer videos using just my iPhone and a few smart AI tools. No desktop, no confusing software, just real results you can create right now. Let's get into it. These are the 5 movements that I get asked about a lot. This one where she's sitting in the chair, this one where she's walking out of the room and into the room, this one where she is walking over to drink coffee while talking and sipping, and this last one I just chucked in there because I thought it was cool when I figured it out. Now, what I used for my movements are Hallyu. So as you can see, I've used this plenty of times. I use it every time I need to. So I click the little plus sign and then this window pops up. Now what you do is put in a picture and then a prompt. I already have the 5 prompts here, which I will be listing on my Creators Hub. I have walk in and walk out. It is a 2-prompt generation, so you do have to do it twice, and I'm going to show you how. And then walk in drinking coffee, talks and sits, and talks while watering the plants. So the first one we're going to do is sitting, talking, and removes glasses. We come over to Hallyu and we upload the image. This is the image I'm using, and the prompt, I'm going to paste it right into here. Now what you're going to do is click generate. It will show you that you have a job in queue, and this is it here. It only takes about a couple seconds to minutes, and then this is the result right here. So she's talking and sitting and puts her glasses on while still gesturing with her hands. Now we come back over to the prompt list, and now I'm going to show you how to do the walk in and walk out. First, you copy the first part for the in, because like I said, it is a 2-part prompt. Looking for my prompts? They're all in my Creator Hub, linked in the description. You'll find powerful tools, mini tutorials, and 100+ prompts updated every month. It's everything I use, made simple for you. Now, when you go back over to Hallyu, you're going to paste in the prompt. I already have the image, which is this one, and then you click generate. Like I said, it takes a couple minutes, and then you have the video. So she's talking, gesturing with her hands, and now she walks out of the scene. Now let's make the oat prompt. You put her sitting in the chair, and then you go and grab the prompt for oat, copy, bring it back, and paste it in. Now, once you paste it in, click generate, and your video will be done in seconds. Like I already said, I think you already have the hang of this now, but here's the video. So here she is walking into the screen and talking, gesturing, still looking the same. Now let's take a walk over to CapCut, because now I'm going to show you how easy it is to put them together. Just put them side by side and it goes right into the next one. Just like that. That's how you do it, and then you export it and use it. This is how I make longer scenes. I upload the 5-second one, I click it, and I press duplicate. It doesn't smooth into the next video. So what you're going to do is click the second video and click on reverse. Now, reverse will make it look way better and way smoother. Watch this. It goes in, she's still talking, and then at the end, she even puts her glasses back on while still talking. So now you just made a 10-second video. See that? Now let's make it 15 seconds. So after you're done, you're going to add in her drinking coffee. If you generate your generative videos all from the same image, you can connect them like this. So she's drinking, puts her glasses back on, and then she drinks her cup of coffee. Then you're going to download it and you're going to take it over to Runway. So I'm pretty sure you can generate longer videos on Runway. I have. So you just upload the video that you want her to say, or upload a video you already pre-recorded, and then you click next. Now you're going to generate it.
Hey,
you're going to get
Lottie.
something like this.
Today I'm revealing.
Now we're going to go back over to the prompt list because I'm going to show you one more. So this whole prompt list will be on my Creator Hub for free. So let's do the walking with coffee one. We're just going to take it and we're going to copy and take it over here, paste in the image we want and paste the prompt. Make sure it's on IV2, 0 live, create it, and then you're going to get something like this. So she's talking, walking, walks over, and she has a drink of her coffee. If you want the sipping sound, it's on CapCut. If you're wondering how I keep getting Lottie so consistent, I use the consistent character tool on ChatGPT. So as you can see, I went through a couple of phases where I didn't know which one I wanted and how I wanted her to look. And then I came to that conclusion. And then I wanted her in a workplace office. So I had to keep going. And then finally, I found what I wanted. So this was my final product. And this is what she looked like, because I wanted her sitting at an office, not just standing. So each time I just go, I want Lottie standing in her office, or I want Lottie sitting in an office in her chair, and it would give me something like this. It stays pretty consistent, so it always works out. But if it ever, just find the original that you created and then put what you want her to do. So you just might have to scroll up a bit. I also wanted her with a book. And then this one, I said, show Lottie posted as if recording themselves in a landscape. And it gave me this. And then I was going to do one where Lottie has a friend in the background. I haven't quite figured that out, but when I do, I will be showing you guys. But so far, this is what I have. I do use my own voice. And I do use Runway with Act 1. Or if you don't want to use your own voice, in facial expressions, you can use 11 Labs. I have it linked. If you enjoy learning about AI and how to use it on your phone, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button so you can get all the new updates. Thanks for watching.